Hello students, I am JV Nehal Mittal and today I am going to teach you about how to build a practice in a corporate legal sector in India. So, a corporate legal practice in India is most sought for career among law students today. And what it takes to build an excellent corporate legal practice in India, do we know? Is it hard work today? Although it is an important part, but it is not sufficient. So, the hard work should be combined with efficient practical learning coupled with association with platforms which can provide you various opportunities for honoring your skills in practical sphere of law. This is the requirement for today to build a strong practice in Indian corporate legal sector. Drafting, vetting of contracts, learning the basics of due diligence, understanding the first step of merger, these are few important aspects of law. A law student needs to understand before even starting a practice as a transactional lawyer. So, what is that you need to learn as a law student for getting into a corporate law? So, first, you need to learn how to structure a business and choose a form that is most suitable for your requirements. Then, you have to create an entity with that structure and deal with the basics like accounting, taxation, importing, export related requirements which are like business would have to deal with, which any business would have to deal with. Then you have to set up how you have to set up and the implements that the corporate governance mechanisms within your entity. And the last is that you need to learn about the contracts that are useful for the business, different parts of contracts, and how these are negotiated, how these are drafted. So, contracts are very important and are almost a daily phenomenon in any business, whatsoever the business is. So, this is a high utility module. So now that we know the skills, how can we learn these skills? So lawyers, if you're looking to speak the language of your clients, if lawyers want to speak the language of their clients and they want to support them at each stage of their business journey, then doing this course, doing corporate law, will not only guide you about the stages the business will go through, but it will also inform you the applicability of law at each stage. It will take you through the required compliance with detailed procedures and ample ready to use templates. This course can also help young litigators to identify and to capitalize on business opportunities early on. It can be a great support to your practice. For professionals that are employed in the legal department, doing corporate law course can not only guide on the applicability and how to comply, it can help on setting up the compliance mechanisms and standing out in the eyes of the employers. For law students, doing this course will act as the perfect bridge between what you learned at law school and what you are going to face when you work or get into practice. So you will be the one fresher who knows the stuff without actually having worked at it and right from the daily grid of industry experts. So you will be coached and you will be mentored by professionals who have been achievers in their own field. So you can say that your skills, your learnings will sharpen up by help of doing this course. So that's all, and thank you so much.